Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your valuable comments and supports to my channel. We have a special Telegram channel for our traders where you can discuss trade ideas and possible opportunities. If you are interested in discussing or understanding the trading ideas, please join our Telegram channel. I have posted the links at the bottom of this video. Please use it for joining our channel. Today we are going to be doing daily analysis for Euro USD currency pairs. First, we are going to start with the higher time frame to understand the overall movement of the currency pairs. Then we'll go down to the hourly time frame, then 30 minutes time frame, analyze on the trading opportunities and ranges. Let us start with the analysis. So I'm on daily time frame now. Here in daily time frame, we know that this full area is a support area. Market hasn't retraced to this area yet. It is still on the upside. And when we see the overall market trend is on the downside from a daily time frame view. This is on a downtrend. And again, we see one more trend line here. Again, there was one downtrend here. It has broken this resistance. It has gone up. Again, market started trailing down. So it has taken support in the previous support. Now the market is on the temporarily on uptrend. You can notice that it has taken support here and it is on the uptrend now in daily time frame. And the resistance are at this area. It is not one single line, but it is full area. This is going to be the resistance area for the current time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So presently when we notice it, market is actually inside the resistance area and it is trying to break this resistance area and try to go and test on the upper side of the resistance area. But presently it is actually retracing. Let us draw the trend line. So when we notice it here, it is moving in a uptrend on a trend line. Here it has taken a support here. Next support it took it over here and started its uptrend. Presently looks like it is trying to trace back to this dynamic support. If it doesn't break this line, we can see the uptrend to continue and test this dynamic resistance, which is from the daily time frame. It is presently in the resistance area also. So a lot of resistance are there in this area now. That is why I think the market is actually struggling to cross this area. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So when we see it in a 30 minutes time frame, we can clearly notice the trend of the market. When we see it here, market has retraced from this point here, highest point where it has traveled just now, and it is actually retracing back. That is the information we get from the 30 minutes time frame, and it was traveling on a uptrend. We had a support and resistance line, and currently when we notice it, it has actually broken the dynamic support from the 30 minutes time frame, and retracement is actually currently going on. So let us analyze the trading ranges, short-term trading ranges. So since the market has taken uptrend from here, we take Fibonacci's retracement tool and mark the ranges. So still the market is on the upside. It is given a retracement. So let us analyze the ranges now. As long as this level holds, it doesn't breach this level, the trend is on the upside. This is the deciding part whether the trend reversal is going to happen on the downside or whether the uptrend is going to continue or not. Presently it has bridged or it has broken the 30 minutes time frame. Usually 30 minutes time frame or 15 minutes time frame, it is easy to break. They will help us to analyze the trend of the market. Let us mark the trading ranges. So resistance is going to be here. This is the resistance. Presently it is testing this level over here, which is 1.16467. Support on the bottom is going to be this level, and next support level is going to be here, and next support level is going to be here. After that, this is the trend line. It is with the trend line. This is going to be the next level. So these are all the ranges in the shorter time frame, that is 30 minutes time frame. Till the trend is on the upside, short term trend is on the upside. Overall, when we see it from the higher time frame, daily time frame, the trend is on downside. In the short term, it is on the uptrend. It is trying to test this dynamic support or resistance from the daily time frame. If it crosses this level, next resistance is going to be here, and finally if it reaches this level also, the dynamic support from the daily time frame is going to be acting as a resistance. If it bridges this level, we can clearly say that the euro USD currency pair is on the uptrend. Presently in the higher time frame, it is in the downtrend, whereas in the lower time frame, that is in 30 minutes or hourly time frame, it is on a temporarily uptrend. These are all the ranges for short-term trading. These ranges are valid only for 24 hours. Tomorrow, I'll come up with a different video with a new analysis on the trading ranges. Thank you for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe